All right, so I want to show you the integrations page inside of reputations. This section actually allows you to integrate any of the reviews that you have on any other third-party apps. There are a select few in here, and you can also upload a URL for any pages that are not on here on this list of third-party apps. That way, in the future, they can add them to the list. So this is updated pretty often here. So let's go to reputations, and then we'll go to settings here at the top. Okay, on the left menu side here, you'll see integration. So we'll click on that. And then you'll see all of the different platforms that you can integrate all of the reviews that are on that page. What it'll do is that when you hit integrate, so for example, if you have reviews on Airbnb, right? If you hit integrate, all you need to do is just insert the URL for the your page. It'll import the reviews on there. That way you can upload it to where you need it to go on so inside of the reputation, and it'll, if you go back to the overview, it will update you on the overview of all of this information here. So let's go back to settings, and then I want to go over back to integrations, and then I want to show you the custom links. So let's say if you go through this list and you don't see the platform that you normally use that has reviews on it. So in order to get the dev team to take a look at adding other platforms that are being used that are not on this list, I would suggest you insert it here where it says add platform, and then that's where you can insert the URL for that particular platform so that way they can add it. All right, so that is the integration section for being able to look at an entire overview of your reviews that are on other platforms besides what you gather from 360 by itself.